175 grams of instant Gulab Jamun mix, 2 tsp of milk powder, 250 grams of sugar, half tsp of elaichi powder. Mix instant Gulab Jamun and milk powder. Mix it well. Gradually add water and mix. Knead it well. Dough is ready. Use oil to make round balls. No cracks on the dough balls. Gulab Jamun balls are ready. Add 1 glass of water. Add sugar. Mix the sugar to dissolve. Add elaichi powder. Add pinch of red food color. Mix it. Fry the Gulab Jamun at low to medium heat. Sugar syrup is almost done. Gulab Jamuns are perfectly fried. Dip the Gulab Jamun in sugar syrup. Mix and cook for 5 to 6 minutes on low flame. Fluffy, super soft Gulab Jamuns are ready. Enjoy the tasty Gulab Jamuns. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.